Alright, coming back to you with another video. This time, picked up some Sky King 6-inch king size shells. 24 6-inch canister shells. Sky King fireworks. Picked these up for $99. Better price than what they normally would be, so I thought I'd give them a shot. See how they do. I've never shot them off before. So this way, we kind of see what they do. Yeah, pretty well done with the artwork. I like that. It's very nice. And here we have the actual individual shells. 6-inch, like they say. Each one's labeled for the effect. Yeah, that's pretty nice. We'll have to see how they do. Look at that right there. Here's your tube. Standard fiberglass tube, nothing too crazy. Alright, now on to the demo. Alright guys, king size shells. Alright, do one at a time here. All right, now the next one.